Alright guys, here we go on a adventure. We are at Ritchie Ridge Falls, and we will be hiking down in and most likely hiking to several others. I'm a little early, so I'm just waiting on everybody else to get here. So let the fun begin. And yes, it grew cold again. I'm hoping to take this hat off within a little while because I'm hoping it gets warm. But we'll see. Check back in a little bit. Alright, here we go down the trail. I'm waiting on the guys to get here. So I'm going to go down for a little bit and do some video before they get here. I'm a little early. And last video, yeah, they had gone to the other waterfall instead of the one I went at, even though it said on the thing to be there. So, what am I going to do with them? But I don't know if you can hear the water or not. But this is Ritchie Ridge. Very pretty. One of a few on this trail. Sorry about all that. Trail's a little rocky. See? We came to a fork. Which way should we go? Well, the fork, what happens is if you go this way, you end up at the top of the waterfall. I don't know if you can see that water falling right there. And if you go this direction, it takes you to the bottom of the falls. Down the stairs. Ow. My knees didn't like that one. It went one way and I went the other way. Anyway, here, you hear that sound? So beautiful. I love that sound. But here is Ritchie Ridge. We made it. Very easy hike. It is down quite a bit of rocks, but it's not that far off the road. Alright, let's head back up, since it's a really short hike back up, and see where the rest of the group is. There should be Ronnie and Jack joining us. So let's see who shows up. I'm guessing probably Ronnie. Jack. We'll see. I know he's probably watching this and getting really mad at me, but it's fun. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is actually a tractor trailer, because we are not far from the interstate of 111, so you can hear that and the waterfall at the same time. And there's some beautiful flowers blooming right now. I'll have to go back and check those out. But we'll see who else has gotten here. And talking and walking is not the best idea, since I've already tripped like 3 times. But let's see. See, we're already back at the road, and I see some vehicles, so we'll see who this is. Let's see if it's one of mine. What do you think? We'll see. Holy shit, it's elusive Barry Cole! It's Barry Cole! It's Barry Cole!
Hey.
Oh, mine shaft. No, we're not going down in.
Yeah, the mule. I don't know. Well, where there's a will, there's a way. They'll get it out.
Hey, Ronnie.
Yep.
Look at this big old tree right here.
Oh, I know. The roots.
When that falls, it's going to make some noise.
Yep. And those pines don't have deep roots. They have.
This is the mine entrance, guys. Another one. This is like the third one we found. No, I'm not going in right now. We are just looking at it from the outside. But look at those cool spider webs. Look at that. That's just incredible to think that these guys went down in something like this just to mine. It's beautiful and sad all at the same time. There's no telling how many lost souls lost their lives down there. Alright. I don't know if you can hear the waterfall behind me, but that's what we're going to.
What's that? Oh.
How'd you put it back up?
You have to get you a 3200 or something. They're not high. They're cheap cameras.
KEH has some good deals right now.
Boy, I don't know what that was. But that's what hurt. Put my water, buddy. It's there on this side.
Right here, it's over here.